Hello and welcome to lesson 1. This is a recap lesson that year 1 children should have a look at as they move into year 2. And today we are getting even better at counting and writing numbers to 20. So in year 1 you will have learned how to count forwards and backwards with numbers up to 10. And here we have a little picture to help you. So we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and underneath are how you write the words. And again, underneath that is just a little visual to try and help you to remember how many objects might be there to represent the number. So 1 has 1 dot, 2 has 2 of them, and so on all the way up to 10. How we could look at that, just recap, rethink back to when you were in year 1, and hopefully this will help. Quick recap question. Have a go at completing the number boards. Pause the video and we'll go through the answers. Okay, so starting at number 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If we're going to write them, I'm going to start at 10 this time and work backwards. So we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Have we got the next challenge? Again, pause the video until you have your answer. There's a hint. Are these numbers going from low to high or high to low? Okay, so here I have a missing number, and then I have the number 9, 2 missing numbers, 6, 5, 2 missing numbers, 2, 1. Now, to me, I know that 9 is quite a high number, and 1 is very low. So it must be going from high to low. So I'm going to start with 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to also write it in. So the number 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So today's lesson, as I said, is counting numbers up to 20. And there's some key words that I really want you to focus on. It is words ending in the suffix teen, as well as these words here, 11, 12, 13, and 15. And the reason why I want you to focus on these words is because we don't actually use the numbers we would expect when we want to say them. And we'll come to that in a moment. So just remember 11, 12, 13, and 15. And underneath is how you write them down. So my question to you is, what do you think when someone says the word teen? If you were to ask me, what do I think? My first thought would be teenager. Now, if a word ends in teen, it means a number between 13 and 19. So I've got some pictures here that represent a teenager to help me remember what the numbers look like. So here I have 13. Can we find 14? Yeah. 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Pause the video, have a quick look at those numbers, see if you can put them into order. Brilliant. Let's move on to the next task. Okay, so let's count these numbers together in order. So we're going to start at number 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. let's match the numbers to the words. We'll do the first one together, and then I want you to pause the video and have a go at doing this yourself. Starting with 10. Now I know that 10 is spelled with a T at the beginning, so I'm firstly going to have a look for the T sound. There's one, and it's T-E. Well, this is a W, so that can't be right, so I'll keep going down. T-E-N. 10. Brilliant, I found it, so I'm going to draw a line to there. Pause the video, as I said, have a quick go. Okay, so here we have a completed list. We have 10, 19, 12, and we've matched them all up to the words. My next task is for you to match them to the pictures that represent them. So again, we'll do the first one together. So I'll start with the number 10, follow it down to the word 10, and now I'm looking for a set of objects or a number that shows 10, and there it is there, number 10. Pause the video, have a quick look, follow it with your finger, get it into your head, and also look out for which is the odd one out. That should have an E on the end, I apologize. Which is the odd one out? Pause the video, have a go. Okay, so now here I've matched them all up. So you will have realized that the number 15, we don't say 15, we say 15, was matched with this here. And the odd one out, of course, was the number 20. Okay, so you might have come across these again in year one. We call them 10 frames, and we use them to group objects into 10. And the reason why we do that is because it's much easier to count in tens and add on a few more ones than it is to count all the counters over and over again. So here I have a 10 frame, so this one is full, so that must be 10. And I have one more. One more than 10 is 11. And remember, 11 is the two ones. Okay, it's 1 10 and 1 1. And if I was going to write it as a word, 11, like that. Okay. Here, pause the video, have a go at this one. So again, we have 10 in this 10 frame, and we're going to add on 3 more. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13. So if I was going to write that as a number, we'd have a 1 and a 3. 1 10 and 3 1s. And if I was going to write that as a word, it would be 13. That spell. There we go, 13. Have a go at the last one. Pause the video. Okay, so at 10 again, so we're starting from 10, I'm going to count up. So we've got 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And if I was going to write that as a number, it would be 1 10 and 6 1s. And if I was going to write it as a word, it will fit 16. Nope, here we go, 16 just there. So now what I want you to do is to draw some 10 frames. You won't need more than 2 10 frames to represent the number. The first number is 19, and it's written down like this. Pause the video, draw out the 10 frame, and have a go at representing this number. You can also do that for number 12 as well. Okay, so here we go. So I know fine well that I need to fill this in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And the next one, again, pause the video. This is for the number 12. Again, it's a very tricky word to remember. This is how we spell it, and this is how we write it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, another explaining question. I'm going to count to 20, says the bear, and he will start from 12. He wants to know, I want to know, sorry, will the bear say the numbers 11 and 15? So I'm going to count to 20, but I'm starting from the number 12. Okay, have a quick think about it. Pause the video. Let me know what you think. Okay. So if I was going to start at the number 12, I know that I can be counting up. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I know that I said the number 15, but I never said the number 11. So 11 is the wrong answer. Let's have a go at this one. I'm going to count to 20. I'm going to start from 6. Will the bear say the numbers 12 and 5? You might already know the answer, but if not, write out the numbers starting at 1 up to 20, and let's have a quick look. So I've got number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Have I said the number 12? Yes, because I can see it. Have I said the number 5? No, I haven't said the number 5 because it's not there. It's actually one less than 6. Have a quick look at the description underneath this video. You'll see there is a link to the TES website, which is free to sign up to, and then you can actually download some extra questions that are similar to the ones that we've covered in this session here. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe and let me know what you think by adding comments to the TES website. Brilliant. Thank you.